Okay guys, 2017 Kia Sedona. LX, leather loaded, brand new tires. It is a rebuilt title, had some little bit of rear and a little bit of front. Nothing was too bad. See, this grill's not perfect here. See a little bit of paint. Issues on these handles. VIN number. Options here. Start it up here for you. See 76, 784 on the miles. All your steering wheel controls, auto lights, windshield wipers, cruise control settings. Does have the Apple CarPlay to get it all hooked up. Backup camera, USB, smart key, power sliding doors, heated seats, parking sensors. There's all your sliding rear door. Open those up so we can take a look here. Good close look at the seat, see how clean it is. The seat has some indentions for some parts that we'll put on it. Clean. 3 seat belts there in the rear. Looks like you could put another seat in here. I'm sure you can find them on eBay or Google it pretty easily if you need one. Pretty clean rig, low miles. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.